Introducing the all-new Surya Flame 4-burner green gas stove. Every year, LPG prices keep rising, which is a big concern. An average household uses 12 gas cylinders per year. But with our green gas stove, you can save up to 4 cylinders with ease. Certified with a 4-star BEE rating, helping you save more energy with every meal. With an impressive 74% thermal efficiency and LERC certification, it ensures maximum heat utilization and reduced gas consumption. Premium black brass burners provide a powerful and consistent blue flame, ensuring low carbon monoxide emissions. Specially designed reflective pan supports help reduce heat loss. Crafted with premium heavy-duty toughened glass and a rust-free body, the 360-degree revolving nozzle provides easy and flexible gas pipe connectivity. High-quality brass valves ensure long-lasting reliability and safety. Available in 2-burner and 3-burner variants as well. Your trust deserves reliable support. That's why every Surya Flame green gas stove comes with a 3-year warranty, is ISI marked and includes expert customer assistance with home after-sales service within 72 hours. Surya Flame has been serving you since 1982.